Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to hide marketplace listing from friends. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Facebook homepage. Now on the left you can see here is marketplace. Click on this, and after that, to find your listing, first of all click on this selling. Now over here you can see here is one of my listing. Now to hide this from my friends, first of all we need to do is click on these three dots, and now over here you'll find this edit listing. Click on this. After that, on the left you'll find this many options. Scroll down. Over here you can see hide from friends. Now just click on this to turn this toggle on. After that, click on this update. And after that, this marketplace post is hidden from our friends. So in this way, we can hide marketplace listings from friends. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.